Yeah, in this students, this is chapter 2 for class 10th history. Here, the meaning of Swaraj was some different for Gundam Hills of Andhra Pradesh. Uh, there was a new type of a movement which was in the violential form were started in the leadership of Alluri Sitaram Raju, who who claimed that he had the various of the special powers and he could make the correct astrological uh, predictions of the head pupils, and he could survive even bullet shot. So, in the leadership of Alluri Sitaram Raju, this movement start against Britishers in the form of violence. But Mahatma Gandhi was not in favor of Alluri Sitaram Raju non-cooperative movement and persuade people to wear khadi and give up drinking. Mahatma Gandhi had said that in the non-cooperative movement, we have to not wear, we have to wear khadi and we have to give up drinking. It's mean that liquor, but but at the same time, assisted that Indian could be liberated only by the use of force, not non-violence. At last, he was arrested and killed. So, Godam rebels were attacked by the police station and attempt to kill the British officers. So, a big clash happened between the supportive of Raju and Britishers, that they attacks on the police station and attempt to kill British officers. So, because they were experted in guerrilla warfare, and at last Raju was captured and executed in 1924. Uh, Over time, become a folk hero in Andhra Pradesh, in Andhra Pradesh region, in Andhra Pradesh region, folk hero. So Swaraj plantation. After it, I want to told you about that how this movement become finished. That incidents happen of the Chauri Chaura, that at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur, a peaceful demonstrations in Bazaar turning into a violent clash with the police. Hearing the incidents, Mahatma Gandhi had called off to the non-cooperative movement. Actually, uh, this demonstration was happening in peacefully form, but the police in charge had started to firing on them, by which few people were killed, and just after it, a big uh, discrimination happened in Indians, and they and the nearby the villages were collected together, and they fired that police station, and few of policemen were killed. So Mahatma Gandhi has observed that this incident is now taking a violence form. So Mahatma Gandhi has halt to the non-cooperative movement after the incidents of Chauri Chaura. Now here is the next movement of Mahatma Gandhi, that was the civil disobedience movement. In February 1922, Mahatma Gandhi decided to withdraw the non-cooperative movement. He felt that the movement is turning in the violence in many places, and satyagrahis need to provide a proper training. That satyagrahis need to provide a proper training before they would ready in mass struggle. So it is a type of training, and a proper leadership is necessary to give the Congresses and other leaders as against British movements, which is things by Mahatma Gandhi. Within the Congress, some leaders were by now tried in mass struggle and wanted to participate in elections to the provincial council that had been set by Government of India Act in 1919. So they were trying to, some congresses were trying to get memberships of provincial council by which they want to uh, revolt against the Britishers.